Well, welcome to the capsicum greenhouse, or the sweet pepper greenhouse. Again, this year for the first time I've used the shading, and because the sun has been so fierce, it actually burnt the leaves. It wasn't drought, the sun actually burnt the leaves of these sweet peppers. This is one of my favourite varieties. It's an oxhorn pepper, Diablo, and for the first time I've been using these cloth pots. They're 10-litre pots, and they're made from recycled cloth or fibre. They're very sort of felty, but they're very strong. And one thing I have found is that they tend to dry out less than the plastic pots. The plastic pots in the real heat got very, very hot on the outside and tended to burn the roots that were around the superficial area. So I'm trying these, and they're sitting happily there, and peppers do need a lot of soil. So there's no point in growing sweet peppers in small 3 or 4 litre pots. They need something like a 7.5, or this is a 10, or even a 12-litre pot. The ones up here, whereas the Diablo ones are about 1 metre tall and need staking and tying in, otherwise they tend to fall over. These are slightly shorter. These are a different variety. I've never grown these before. It's candy cane red, this variety. You can see that they start off striped like that and then change to this orangey red colour here. And then there's further along here, but they are slightly shorter. And then further along here we've got these lovely orange ones called Sweet Etiuda. Again, I've never tried these before, but they seem relatively, or rather not relatively, very, very healthy. And look forward to cooking those, probably one tonight with a stir fry, and then we'll save the rest. There are still young ones coming on here and flowers as well. So as long as this amazing weather continues, then we'll be having peppers for quite a long time to go. They are hungry feeders, so it is important to give them plenty of feed, either something like chicken manure, or I did actually use this year on these seaweed granules, and that seems to have worked very well. The cropping seems to be very good in spite of the heat.